Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with inkinspirations.com. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. And in this video, I just wanted to share with you, after much experimentation, the easiest way that I have found to assemble the peony. It's not difficult at all. Here is a card that I made with a completed one. You can see that it's just got so many layers and just makes for a beautiful focal point of a card. So let's look at the dies that it takes to create this. So the peony dies come with quite a few pieces, some to cut the stamped images that are in the stamp set, okay, and some of them to assemble the peony without a stamp. And you also have some leaves dies with a little low light or highlight, however you want to put it, on the leaves that you cut separately and then adhere together. So today though, I just want to show you how easy it is to put the peony together. It takes these 4 dies, and I want to show you, first of all, the bottoms of the die cuts are all the same. And I like to look at this little dip right here. Okay, so if you stack them all on top of each other, you can see that they all line up. And that is your indicator for lining those up to get these assembled properly. So here again, the largest die, and then this one. All right, and so we're going to start by just putting I'm going to start with the smallest one first. And so you can do lots of things with this die, with shading and maybe you know, doing some distressing on the cardstock. I'm just going to put it together easily and simply for you today to show you the process. So I'm going to slide this in. And I always struggle with that little tip right there, and push it down. I mean, it just slides in so easily, and you can line it up. Now, you can either, which is my preference, use a mini glue dot, and I like to attach it right here on that little scallop. So let me do that. And then I'll show you another way too, if you don't have glue dots. So put that there and then push down, and those are together, okay? All right, and then you take the next largest piece and slide that in, and again, that bottom is going to line up so easily, just like that, okay? And then you can also, if you prefer, take a bit of our liquid glue and just lift up that bottom and put a little dot of glue and hold it there for a second, okay? And you're good to go. And then here's the last piece, slip it in and line up that bottom. Just like that. And I'm going to use another glue dot here. And I just use one. And there you have the peony all together. And then you have this piece on the smallest die, where you can insert the stamen. This one's cut from a Mango Melody, but you can use whatever color you'd like. And you can see the difference here with the shading on this one versus this. Here's another one that's assembled. Okay, so this is Magenta Madness, and I used Mary Merlot for the shading. And I was just playing around with it, and I shaded the bottom edge of the die and then the top edge as well. And there's not really a right or wrong way to do it. It's going to be beautiful no matter how you put it or decide to distress it or ink it. It just makes for a beautiful focal point on your card. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Visit my website at inkinspirations.com, where you can find the link to shop and purchase this beautiful bundle. And if I can help you with anything, let me know. See you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.